Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your wealth. Your money should be making money, not just sitting idle. Are you tired of letting your hard-earned money just sit in the bank earning minimal interest? It's time to put your money to work for you. Imagine the possibilities when your money starts generating more money. Investing is one of the smartest things you can do to build wealth over time. It allows your money to grow exponentially. And guess what? It's not as complicated or risky as you might think, especially when it comes to mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Think about it. Every day you wait is a day your money could be growing. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Don't let fear or confusion keep you on the sidelines. Educate yourself, seek advice, and take that first step. Investing in mutual funds is a proven way to achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or funding your children's education, or leaving a legacy for your loved ones. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your financial future is secure. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Let's dive in and explore how mutual funds can help you get there. We'll look at different types of mutual funds, their benefits, and how to choose the right one for you. Trust me, you won't regret it. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and watch your money grow. Imagine a world where your money works harder than you do. Picture yourself not having to worry about financial constraints, where your investments are growing steadily and your future is secure. That's the power of mutual funds. They are designed to help you achieve financial freedom by making your money work for you. Mutual funds offer a simple and effective way to grow your wealth, even if you're just starting out. Whether you're saving for a new home, your child's education, or your retirement, mutual funds can be a key part of your financial strategy. Mutual funds pool money from many investors like you and invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This collective investment approach allows you to benefit from the expertise of professional fund managers. This means you get instant diversification and professional management, all in one convenient package. Diversification helps spread risk, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's like having a personal financial advisor working for you, but without the hefty fees. You get the advantage of expert advice and management without the high costs typically associated with personalized financial services. With mutual funds, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to make smart investment decisions. The fund managers do the heavy lifting, researching, and selecting the best investment opportunities on your behalf. You can start small and invest consistently over time, watching your money grow steadily. Even modest, regular investments can compound over time, leading to significant growth. It's the perfect way to build a brighter financial future for yourself and your family. By investing in mutual funds, you're taking a proactive step towards financial independence and security. So why wait? Start your journey to financial freedom today with mutual funds. Let's face it, investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. The sheer volume of information, the complex terminology, and the fear of losing money can make anyone feel overwhelmed. The stock market can feel like a roller coaster ride with its constant ups and downs. The jargon like bull markets, bear markets, and dividends can be confusing and off-putting. It's no wonder many people shy away from investing altogether. The fear of making a wrong decision or not understanding the market dynamics can be paralyzing. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a financial guru to invest wisely. With the right tools and resources, anyone can start their investment journey with confidence. Mutual funds take the guesswork out of investing by providing a simple and accessible way to participate in the market. They pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They offer built-in diversification and professional management so you can relax knowing your money is in good hands. This means you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks or timing the market. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start and learn as you go. Mutual funds provide a safe and easy way to start investing and growing your wealth, no matter your experience level. They are designed to help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply building a nest egg for the future. So take that first step today and watch your financial dreams come to life. Think of it as a basket of stocks. Imagine a basket filled with different fruits. That's what a mutual fund is like, but instead of fruits, it holds a variety of stocks, bonds, or other assets. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're buying a piece of that basket, giving you instant diversification. Each mutual fund has a specific investment objective, such as growth, income, or a combination of both. Professional fund managers make investment decisions on your behalf, using their expertise to select the best assets to achieve the fund's goals. This means you don't need to spend hours researching individual stocks or bonds. Mutual funds do the heavy lifting for you, making investing simple and accessible for everyone. Section 5, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's the golden rule of investing, and mutual funds make it easy to follow. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. This helps reduce risk because if one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. Mutual funds excel at diversification. By investing in a variety of assets, they help you weather market fluctuations and achieve more consistent returns over time. It's like having a safety net for your investments. Section 6, why now is the time? Ride the wave of market growth. The stock market is like a roller coaster with its ups and downs, but over the long term it has consistently trended upwards. That's why now is a great time to start investing in mutual funds. While past performance is not indicative of future results, historical data shows that the stock market has consistently generated positive returns over long periods. By investing now, you can position yourself to benefit from this long-term growth potential. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best time to start is always today. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Section 7. Start your journey today. Small steps, big rewards. You don't need a lot of money to start investing in mutual funds. Many funds have low minimum investment requirements, making it accessible for everyone. The key is to start small and invest consistently over time. Think of it like this. Even small contributions can add up to significant wealth over the long run. The power of compounding means that your earnings generate even more earnings, creating a snowball effect that can accelerate your progress towards your financial goals. Don't underestimate the impact of starting early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow and compound, leading to greater wealth accumulation over time. Section 8. Take action. Your future self will thank you. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards securing your financial future by learning about mutual funds. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this information go to waste. Start researching different mutual funds and find ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. There are countless resources available online and through financial institutions to guide you. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Don't wait any longer to start building the financial future you deserve.